go, Chewie.
This is the way.
Star Wars. Appreciate the help.
Good morning, Star Wars fans. Today we are embarking on an epic journey to a galaxy far, far away. It's May the 4th. It's a day to celebrate all things Star Wars. And we're going to get it into the immersive world of Batuu, right here at Disney World Hollywood Studios. Let's go.
The Force is strong with this one.
Keep it moving.
Some of you may have cooperated. Some of you may even support resistance. If that is true, we will find out. And you will feel the consequences of your actions.
BB-8, is everyone assembled? Good.
Raise the shields.
Rise of the Resistance, we are going to take you on the full ride, so make sure you stay till the end, guys. Let's go.
Your outpost on Batuu is no longer safe. We have transports waiting to take you to General Organa's secret base on Pucara.
Transport is ready. 9 Nominai shall personally see them delivered. I am Lieutenant Beck. As you heard from Rey, I have been tasked with getting you to Pucara.
Red 2, Blue 5, keep tight now. Let's get ready to make that jump to light speed on my mark.
There appear to be a number of small craft heading our way. Raise the shields.
We got company. First order TIE fighters. Reload. Red 2, Blue 5, we got a clear path for transport to make the jump. I'm hit.
Goodbye, Red 2, more incoming. Blue 5 taking evasive action.
Try to shake your blue.
I'm trying.
We lost Blue 5. I'm gonna try to jump away.
Copy that. Get us clear so we can make the jump.
Get ready. You won't have much time.
Where are all those TIE fighters coming from?
One in there.
Star Destroyers.
Get out of there.
We can't. We're caught in a tractor beam. It's pulling us in.
Get some friends and make us a fair fight. Don't worry, I'll come back for you. Stay strong.
By the authority of the First Order, Resistance scum. Now bring down your shields and prepare to be boarded.
I have a bad feeling about this.
The Imperial Force got us in their tractor beam, and now we are in a starfighter. Oh my god, here we go.
So here we are, ready to get in line for Rise of the Resistance.
Ego Resistance, you chose the wrong side, and now you will pay. The Resistance prisoners.
You have what I want. You know the location of the secret base, and I will take it from you.
We are needed on the bridge.
Keep the prisoners here. I will return to finish this personally.
This corridor to the turbo lift, then head down to the escape pod base. Those droids are programmed to return you to Batuu. Hurry and don't get caught. Lieutenant Beck will guide you.
Recruits, for your safety, stay seated with seatbelts securely fastened. Keep hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the transport and supervise your children. Tell them it's a prisoner transfer. Did it work? Good. Now get a move on. There's a clear path to the turbo lifts at the end of the hallway. Turn right. A probe droid. You're lucky it didn't spot you. Take those turbo lifts and stay out of trouble.
Hey, you're not authorized. Wait, it wasn't the president. We have a breach in the touching block bridge.
Let's move. Find an alternate route. Who picked these two droids anyway?
Detention block breach. Prisoners not seen on level D. There they are! Fire! Take cover, recruits!
find another way down to the escape pods.
The Resistance will attempt to rescue the prisoners.
They have neither the resources nor the courage to engage us.
You underestimate their conviction. Raise the shields!
Shields? I see no evidence.
Now!
Sound the alarm! All personnel to their stations!
Sir, the prisoners have escaped.
How brave, but ultimately hopeless.
Resistance personnel, abandon ship. I repeat, abandon ship. This destroys the battle.
There's no escape. You will tell me the location of the secret base, and then I will destroy you and the Resistance.
Okay, you're clear.
Your escape pods came in a little off target. Ground crews will meet you outside the wreck.
All right, nice job, recruits. Not what you signed on for, but hey, you're Resistance now. I think I have that authority. Right, Beck? Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck. Line up. Scapper's pocket.
Lieutenant Beck here. Beck! Relax. I should hope so. Great job, recruits. Thanks to your heroism, the location of the Resistance base is secure. Bravo! Yes, R5, you too.
As long as you grab everything you brought with you, I can fix up that droid. You're exiting this way.
Come with me, turn. Look at this line. This is for the Cantina, where we're going to be going. We have our reservations and we're just going to walk right in. But that line is like at least an hour or two long. Just to
Ready? Let's go.
Let's go, Grogu. He's like, so here we go. We're going into Olga's Cantina.
So here they're all shared tables. Unless you have a group of 8, you have to squeeze in.
We just got our table. We share it with, I think, 6 to 8 other people. We all have to stand. There are some seats behind me, but you still have to share that with other people too. So we're directly across from the bar, which is super cool. And when you see this, it is amazing. So remember, May 4th, this is what you gotta do.
Hey everyone, who's ready to boogie? I sure am.
So they have a DJ here in the corner spinning all your Star Wars tunes. Spaced out theater. Check out the atmosphere from the ceiling to the bar. Everything in here is themed and you definitely feel like you are in outer space in another world.
I got an Imperial beard. Tell you how it is. I know I have a mustache, but it's good. What'd you get?
Bubbling something.
This one has rum, pomegranate, and blueberries, and it fizzes, so it must have some type of dry ice in there, so I'll be real cautious. It's definitely fizzy, and it's yummy.
Keep it moving.
Looks like we've got company.
Oh no. We're done.
Can't believe we got an Imperial come in here
Hello. Thank you.
He doesn't love him, but we love him. Come on. We're here inside the drone factory, and if you look behind me, look at all the pieces you can do. You can make any kind of droid you want. Custom build it, and it's workable. It has a remote control. It's Bluetooth. It's so cool. Battery operated, so you don't get bored. Love it. Oh, look at it. What's his name?
BD1.
$69.99.
$119. I mean, is Ray. Check it out. What? So, we're in the marketplace at Star Wars Galaxy Edge. Immerse yourself in vibrant sights, sounds, and smells of this marketplace at Batuu's Black Spire Outpost in Star Wars Galaxy's Edge. As you wander through the bustling marketplace, you will encounter some diverse array of aliens, some vendors, each peddling a unique and exotic good. From the mysterious creatures of Don Odin's Den of Antiquities to the eclectic merchandise at the creature stall. There's something every galactic traveler will want. Please like, subscribe, leave a comment. If you say subscribe in the comment, I will make sure I respond. All right, 122.
So just you get back to fixing that hyperdrive motivator.
Welcome, Star Tours passengers.
Star Tours announces non-stop daily service to this remote desert world in the Outer Rim territories. Join the festive Ubuntu holiday celebration in the streets of Mos Espa. Then head to the arena and cheer for your favorite pilot in the annual Delta E Classic.
Listen up. We have reports of Droids being busted straight back.
Keep it moving, humans. Those of you trying to play with domesticated creatures, this is not your line. I'm talking to you, miss. Oh, is that your boyfriend? I'm terribly sorry.
You are cleared for departure.
1401, that's us. We can't take off. The captain isn't on board.
Auto takeoff sequence initiated.
Excuse me, you don't seem to understand. I am not the captain. I am C-3PO.
1401, cleared for takeoff. Contact departure on frequency 429.
Wait! R2-D2, I am not programmed to fly these things. Now just turn us around this instant before we get into trouble. I knew it!
Oh!
Don't shoot!
Prepare to be boarded, Captain.
I'm afraid there's been a terrible mistake. I am C-3PO.
We know you have this rebel spy on board.
I've never seen that human before. Oh dear. Gotta go!
Don't underestimate my power.
No!
I want that spy!
She's on to me! Someone could get hurt! Lightsaber out of... No! Warning, thruster malfunction. Thrusters? Are they important?
Star Tours, this is a restricted area. What are you doing here?
I have no idea!
Stay clear of the combat zone.
Combat zone? Oh no! We've been hit! Brace yourselves! Nobody move!
coordinates I am transmitting to you. This mission is dangerous. Be strong and courageous. This is the way. Spit that out.
Artu, I don't like the look of this. Yes, I do believe these are Virgo. Virgin are the legendary space whales. Quite extraordinary. And so serene. Oh no!
Star Tours. It's 2 against 1 here. Could use some help.
No, we need to Everett!
Nicely done, Star Tours. Appreciate the help.
R2-D2, don't you dare!
Safe travels. Good to see you again, R2.
ST-401, welcome back.
We will be landing shortly. I do hope you have enjoyed your flight and watch out! That's my ship. On behalf of Star Tours, thank you for joining us.
Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. May the 4th be with you. We had an awesome day. We got to go on some rides. We saw Bazooka. We had one of those specialty drinks. We saw all kinds of Jedis and lightsabers everywhere. And we hope to see you soon. We're going to take some droids and run around. Please hit that like and subscribe, and we'll see you on our next adventure.
Is your sister. I am your father. You are my son.